Hello everyone, I am Kalyani. Today we will learn a very important asana in supine position, which is Sarvangasana or shoulder stand. It works on the whole body, so its name is Sarvangasana. Along with Sarvangasana, we will learn one more asana, which is Viparit Karni. Viparit Karni is the preparatory stage for Sarvangasana, or you can say that Sarvangasana is the advanced stage of Viparit Karni. I will demonstrate both these asanas in sequence. So let's start with supine pose. Lie down in supine pose. While inhaling, raise both the legs until they reach the vertical position. While exhaling, lift the hips and take the legs over the head. This asana is Viparita Karni. In this asana, back is inclined and legs are straight above the hips. There is a gap between the chest and chin. From this position, raise the back further such that the back, hips and legs are in one straight line. This position is Sarvangasana. In this position, whole body from shoulders to toes is in straight line. There is no gap between chin and the chest. Chin is placed in the chest, forming a neck lock or Jalandhar Bandha. This is one of the very important asanas in Hatha Yoga. Try to hold this position for the duration of 1 minute minimum to get all the benefits of this asana. People suffering from abnormal blood pressure, heart trouble, neck and shoulder injuries, glaucoma should avoid this asana. Try to stay stable. Try to stay relaxed in this position. Try to continue normal breathing while you are holding this asana. Slowly release this position. Take your legs above the head. Slowly bring your back to the floor. Slowly bring your legs down to the floor. Back to supine pose. Slowly take up Shavasana and relax for a while. Now that we have learned how to perform Sarvangasana, let us understand its benefits. Due to the inverted position of legs in this asana, impure blood from legs easily flows towards the heart for purification. This prevents and cures varicose veins. It also improves blood circulation to the facial organs and to the brain. It stimulates digestive fire and it improves digestion. Jalandhar Bandha or neck lock in this asana stimulates thyroid glands. There is also some amount of pressure at the center of the head which stimulates and activates the pituitary glands, which overall improves hormonal balance in the body, which cures PCOD and other problems related to hormonal imbalance. So friends, this asana is very beneficial to the whole body. It is certainly not easy to perform this asana. It requires regular practice. So please keep practicing every day. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you soon with one more supine pose asana. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.